Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to mark your listing as pending on Facebook Marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser, either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now after that you go to the marketplace, all you need to do is to reach your selling portal. To do so, you will need to click on selling and here we will find all our listings. So now that you see all your listings, all you need to do is to go to this more button, or this 3 point button here. You click on it and as you can see there is a button that is called mark as pending. You click on mark as pending and here your listing will be marked as pending. So to renew it or to list it again, all you need to do is mark as available and your listing will be shown in the marketplace. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.